let's unbox this selfie stick. I got the white color. It comes with a battery, the instructions in a nice little bag here. Oh, so pretty. Look at the white color. I never had a white color before, but I wanted something more girly or, to go with my kitchen. There. So here is you open it for your phone. Oh yeah, so here is the knob to move your phone. Here is for a light if you want to put a ring light. So this is the wireless remote here. I really like how this one looks. It's very minimalistic and that white color is so pretty. The ring light is not included. And my phone is stable and it doesn't take a lot of floor space.